Hi, babe. Ano yung sasabihin mo? Babe, thank you for everything. Ha? Nakikipag-break ka na ba sa akin? I'm so sorry. Bakit? It's not you. It's me.
It's been the longest winter without you.
Huwag kang iiyak. Pigilan mo. Huwag kang iiyak sa harap ng lalaking yan. Hintayin mong makauwi ka.
See, somehow
Huwag mong
I
ituloy
can't
yan.
forget you.
Huwag kang iiyak.
After all that we've been through.
Sige, iiyak mo na yan. Ibuhos mo na yan ngayong gabi.
Thinking that I deserve it. Now I realize that I really didn't know. You didn't notice. You meant everything to love
Iiyak mo na, todo mo na yan.
I'm gonna be okay.
Sipin mo lahat ng bad sides niya. Minsan, di siya nagtututbrush. Ang baho ng hininga. Di ba? Ang dumi ng kuko sa paa. Ganon, isipin mo para ma-turn off ka.
Smile 'cause I deserve to.
Good morning. Ano, okay ka na?
Couldn't turn on the TV without something that'll remind me.
O, ayan, ubusin mo. Kahit sabayan mo pa ng iyak.
Just put aside your feelings.
Tawagan mo na yung mga kaibigan mo.
I'm dreaming. Don't wanna let it hurt my feelings, but that's a past I've been reading.
Girl, sagutin mo, girl.
If you didn't know,
Alam,
you meant everything to me.
punta ka dito sa bahay. Girl, ano nangyari?
And even though I
O
really
ano, gusto mo pa bang umiyak?
wanna smile 'cause I deserve to. It'll all get better in time.
Good morning. Okay ka na?